And here we go. Let's see how much area I got here. We're about to unbox some stuff here. Yeah, kind of got that little spot. All right. Hey, let's see. Let's start out with this box. All right, let's see. What do we got going in this one? I still got one more box coming, but it's just shocks and stuff, so that's not very fun to watch. Come from Off-Road Design. Great company. I've ordered from them several things. I got the engine mount and some other stuff from them before. Here we go. Let's see. All right, what do we got here? All right. We have bubble wrap. Wow. What is this? All right, let's get this one out first. We got a fuel pressure regulator. Put that one up here. Ooh. Got a coil wire to go with on a new coil. We got the MSD Blaster 2 coil. It's looking good. And what do we got in here? Ooh, got new stickers. Always like to get stickers. Goes on toolboxes and everything else. Set this off here to the side. And let's see what do we got in this box. This should be my fuel pump. Wow. Wow, man, that's boxed up nice. Yep, here's all the parts for the fuel pump, O-rings, gaskets. And look at that bad boy. Nice. That is well wrapped up. So it looks like we got a 3/8 feed line, 5/16 return, and 1/4-inch vent tube. And then, of course, this vents to the outside. All right, awesome. Just come with looks like it's just 2 wires. That's probably power wires for the, yeah, we got the blue, got the black. One blue goes here. So, okay, how does the sending unit work? Interesting. Yeah, oh yeah, it's got some instructions in there. All right, good. This only has 2 wires coming out of it. It's got a purple and gray. I bet gray's sending unit, black's going to be your ground, and purple's going to be purple's the sending unit, gray is power. So gray is going to come down here to power everything and run both the sending unit and the fuel pump. So 320 gallons an hour. Put your little stuff on here. All right, let me box this one back up for now because that may be a minute before that one goes in. But that is a nice unit. I like that. That looks good. Let me see. See how we're looking. I gotta check this, y'all. Hold on. My camera work. Yeah, it's a good spot. We can see all that. All right. So put this back in the box to keep this protected because I don't want this getting torn up at all. That joker was not cheap, but I think that's a better option than an external pump. I'm gonna like that better, I think. And let's get these back in the box parts over here. All right, now what is in the mystery box? Interesting. Let's see what is in this big mystery box here. Wow, heavy duty box. All this stuff over here, and let's pop this thing open. Oh, yeah. I already know what it is, but all right, let's see. What do we have here? We have some collectors. Gasket. Yep, gaskets, collectors, flanges, all that's pretty good stuff. Looking nice. And we have, oh yeah, these. I can't wait to see what they look like. These are ceramic coated. Oh God, those are gorgeous. Look at that. Woo! Oh wow, that's a nice flange. Oh, these are pretty good quality. All right, Summit Racing, y'all stepped it up a little bit there. Very, very nice. Look at that. That is freaking awesome. That flange, man, look at how thick this flange is. It's like a 3/8 thick or something. That's thick. I mean, that's a very thick flange. These look great. Ceramic coated. Oh, I like it. Let's see, does this have Oh yeah, and it's got the gaskets too. It's got the header gasket and collector gaskets, everything. All right, I'm gonna put this back in. These may go on first. I may do these before I do anything else. Oh, those are looking good. So I have to put all the stuff together later when we're putting on, but we got ceramic coated headers. Oh, I like the way they had that shit. Look, they put this little thing on the end here so it doesn't jiggle around much. Very nice. I'm about to get those out and just hang those up. Let's slide this over here for now. Get that up there against the fish tank. And then, this is what I really been waiting on. All right. Let's see how this looks. Dog, get on the couch. Dog is freaking out. He's going to go for a ride, but we ain't doing that. All right. Where's this thing? Is this thing stapled? Yep, it's got staples on the side too. All right. And this other side. Pop it loose. All right. There we go. Now it should come off. Oh yeah. Oh my. Got our nice little instruction book here. Wow. Several pages. You've all seen one of these before. And let's take a look. Oh wow. Man, that is a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be. That's what was in the box. Wow. Man. I don't know if I want to leave that. Oh wow. I gotta look at the bottom of it. This is in good shape. I want to get where I can take a good look at this. Make sure there's no issues or problems. It says on the outside of this box, it says good to 625 horsepower. I thought I ordered a 550 kit, but man, this is freaking nice. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to do some. I gotta repaint the engine now. I gotta have to do some paint on the engine. Look at this thing, man. Set this up here. Lay that down here. Set this on something just to get a good look at it. Look at the bottom of it. That is nice. Yep, oval port. Got the injectors in there. Oh, it feels nice. I have to measure that so I can get a vacuum port there. Got some good plugs. Go in there. Man, does that thing look nice? God, look at this. Look at that thing. Would you look at that? Just look at it. That is very nice quality. They were not playing around when they built this up, y'all. Man, that is great. They were not playing around at all. All right, Edelbrock, I like it. So far, looking really good. All right. What extras do we got down here? We got all the harness. I'll leave that packaged up. Got lots of relays. Got our O2 sensor. Wideband O2 sensor in there. You can see that. Okay. What else is in here? We have gaskets, intake manifold gaskets. Got some other little doohickeys down here. What these are for? These little silver things. I don't know what those are for. Huh. I'll figure that out. Probably nothing. Probably something for emissions, just in case. I don't know why you would need emissions on this stuff, because I don't think it's carb legal. I don't see no carb sticker on it. Good thing I don't live in California. Sorry, California. There's the ECU for it. Little box all by itself. And let's see how this new distributor looks. Ooh, very nice. Full bill of aluminum distributor. What we got in here? Oh, this little cap to go on the top to hold everything down when you put your coil wire on. Keep everything in place. Got a couple little screws. Got a gasket for a distributor. Got an O-ring that probably goes on down there. All right. Very nice. Okay, so this is going to replace everything. So I got everything I need just about. I'll need some fuel lines, but I think I got everything else I need. This is nice too. I don't think I'm going to... Should I open this all the way? Yeah, you guys probably won't see it. So we get this opened up all the way here. This is going to go in fairly soon, I believe. I'm going to get the exhaust done. Get that put on first. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Very nice. I like it. I thought this was supposed to come with a deal for the bong. It must be in there. I did not see that. I don't know if I can buy one somewhere for really cheap. Oh, there it is. It's in there. Yeah, it's got more sensors. And it should have a bung for the exhaust. So I can weld one in. I'm going to weld it right into the collector, I think. Right back here somewhere. Maybe. Let's see what's inside this little bag here. There it is right there. Yep. All right. The return spring. I still have a throttle bracket that's going to go on right here from Edelbrock that's made for this. To work all that, that's coming. Then of course I got shocks and a few other things. And then I still got a few more of the goodies that I may purchase. But yeah, it's got the exhaust box, it's got everything you need in here. So you can put the plug in there to drive it to the exhaust shop. Which I don't need to do because I got a welder sitting right there in the corner. Man, it even comes with zip ties. Look at that. Wow. This thing comes with zip ties, everything. This is a well put together kit. I like this. All right. I want to go start on it right now, but I can't. I got other things I got to do first. But there will be a video coming soon. But for now, that is what I got. Let me get this out here. I want to look at some of this on the top here. I'm quite happy with this thing. Wow, it looks great. Man, that isn't good. That looks really nice. Oh, it's gonna look good sitting on top of Subzila's motor, that 496. Put up on that 496, that's gonna look real good. Oh yeah. I might need to get me a new part for the water neck to fill. Nice. Oh yeah, it's got for the O-rings to go on. It's got O-rings in the bag. Like it. That's a very pretty distributor. Oh, yep, look, number one. Got engraved right in there. Nice. Very nice. I like this. I'm pretty sure mine was all. I hope they were. I'd go out there and look. I don't remember if I have female or male for the HEI. I don't remember what ends they got. I may have to cut those ends off, put new ends on if I do. I can do that. All right, well, there we go. Here's all my stuff. What you think, dog? He's not impressed. He's like, I want to go play, Daddy. I don't worry about this stuff. All right, y'all. Stay tuned. Ain't going to be long. All this stuff's going to start going on.